Is SPRC going to squeeze all the way upwards of the $7 levels by the end of Wednesday, or is this a stock which is glory days are behind it? You should be locking your profits, recording losses, and walking away from. What's up, trading friends? Today, we're squeezing SPRC, a ticker which is up over a whopping 90% in the after hours under 3 different lenses: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be doing a catalyst breakdown. The what, we're going to be doing some stock analysis. And the where, I'm going to be telling you guys where to get in, where to get out, and where this ticker is headed. So without further ado, hit the thumbs up button, and now let's get to work. So when it comes to SPRC, guys, this is a ticker which is running based off of merger news, is what you would think. At first glance, you would think, oh, merger, faces merger. What? Uncertainty? I mean, I don't understand how a stock could run if there is positive merger news, and how a stock can also run when there's negative merger news. I just don't understand it. I don't know what's going on here. Okay? I mean, you know, Automax filed a motion to the Jerusalem district regarding the approval of a merger. The court has granted the stay proceeding until September 30th due to uncertainties in Automax's ability to meet closing conditions, which may impact the merger's completion. I mean, it just makes no sense. It just doesn't really make any sense. I mean, I guess what this shows is that, you know, Automax wants to merge, but the fact that there's still uncertainties regarding their ability to be able to merge should cause a sell-off, not a 100% surge in the stock price. Am I crazy? I don't know. Maybe I don't understand what's going on. So, I'm convinced people really don't even read news at this point. They just read letters. Like, they just read words and they're like, oh, okay, merger, yeah, bye. I mean, it makes no sense. So for the news, we're going to put it as okay. Honestly, it's bad. I mean, it doesn't really make sense. Bad news. You know, it would be okay news, but it's bad news considering the stock is already up a whopping 100%. Like, if the stock was maybe up, if the stock was down 5% on this news, we would say, oh, okay, the news is okay. But the stock is pricing in positive outcome from this, which makes no sense. Okay, so we're going to put that as bad. Now, the next thing which we want to look at is going to be the what? The stock analysis. Now, stock analysis, stock market, not company analysis, stock. This is all you need to know about stock. Stocks work based off of two simple things: supply and demand. When the supply is limited and demand increases, prices go up. When demand is limited and supply increases, prices go down. When you're a buyer, when you say buy, give me a share, your demand. When you say sell, you're giving it away, your supply. Okay? Good. Now, as good traders, we first need to analyze how much supply there is, who controls the supply, and then after all that, the big part of who controls the supply, we move on to the retail supply control stuff. So control and demand of the retail. Stocks go up because people must buy, their demand. Stocks go down because people must sell, their supply. What leads to them believing so? What leads to them pressing supply or demand? Okay, good. Now, first thing which we want to look at is how much supply even is there. The company is going to float of 1.62 million shares, okay? And they got a 5 million market cap, so very volatile, so very small float, very volatile, okay? So this supply can get bought up really fast if there's enough demand. Therefore, it's very volatile, or they can be a lot of volatility, okay? Good. Now, the next thing which we want to look at is going to be the company's cash, okay? Now, the numbers I'm about to show you are based off of their most recent SEC filings. Why are we looking at the company's cash? In order for us to anticipate potential dilution. That's why. Why do we care about dilution? Because when it comes to penny stocks, nobody has access to more supply than the company themselves. So we want to know, are they adding supply or are they taking supply away? Are they buying back shares? Are they buying shares, or are they adding to the supply? If they're adding shares into the market, that's them adding supply. So, do they have the financial motivations to go out and add supply? Oh, yes, they do. The company right now has a total cash of $40,000, and their operating expenses every quarter is $1.28 million. They're broke. They're poor. Okay? So they have a month of cash left. Not very good. Not very good at all. All right? I'm going to put this as terrible. Let me see if that's actually even correct. Okay, that makes sense. This is wrong. This is 0.4. 400K, not 0.04. So financially, they're broke. So financially, they have motivations to go ahead and actually dilute. Now, the next thing which you want to look at is going to be history of diluting. Historically very high. And right now, look at their overhead supply. What's overhead supply? Overhead supply is how much supply the company has. Not how much supply they've added yet, but how much supply they're holding on to and how much they could add to the supply of the stock. Okay? So going back to this float of 1.62 million, the company has double that amount, okay? Or more than 50% of that amount right now that they're able to go ahead and add. That's not good. That's not good. So we're going to put the likelihood of rug pull extremely high. 0.3% institutional ownership, not very good. Terrible. Okay? It's not good, guys. It's not looking good at all. It's not looking good at all. I don't like it. The news isn't there, right? The stock's freaking dilution history looks trash. They have no cash. I mean, it's not a good play. For me, it's not a good play. Again, remember, I'm very, very conservative when it comes to my trading, okay? Majority of the days I don't trade. I believe in trading the best and leaving the rest. And, that's why I have such a high win rate, right? Like if you go on the website, I have an over 80% win rate, right? And that's freaking for over 500 trades, right? Like I'm not cherry picking a week of my trading and showing it to you guys, right? So there's a reason why that is, right? There are people who have a 50% win rate, but they still make a lot of money. There are people who have a 20% win rate and they still make a lot of money. Why? Because their winners are way bigger than their losers. Works perfectly fine. Okay? Makes sense. But for me, I care about win rate. I care about hit rate. I care about accuracy. I care about consistency. So to me, it's not a go. I'm not playing SPRC. And for me, it's a way easier short, I'll be honest with you guys, closer to 4 than it is a long. Okay? That's my take. Now, with that said, if you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, okay, get access to my day trade alerts, Sung alerts, option alerts, lessons, one-on-one access, everything like that. I got good news for you guys. I added 10 more spots. I've added 10 more spots to the 50% sale which we had ongoing previously. Right now, the next 10 members that join the Discord, they get access to it for a 50% discount. Give it a shot. Our Discord, guys, is the only Discord which comes with a 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. You heard that right. Look at what Jay says. Thank you, Sam. And Top Trade, this is literally today. Thank you, Sam, and Top Trade Academy team. Not every day. Not what the hell? Not what the hell? What do you mean? Not every day is a green day. I mean, I'm joking. It makes sense. Not every day is green, but most are, and my account is up each month. So whatever you're doing is working. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you. Thank you so much. 1,500 gains from my man Slayer. Even with Eats trying to hold me down, it can't stop us from securing the bag. Bang. 16% the past week. At Sam, thank you, $860. We've been crushing it, guys. We've been crushing it day and out. Like, that's why people are coming back, right? There's a reason why we have over 400 members coming back month after month. Maybe pause it and, like, read some of this, because, honestly, this message is very moving and it makes me very happy. But I'm not going to waste your time. Look, this is all from Sung Trades. Keep up the good work. Small, nice win for today. $900 total since Tuesday. Slow but steady since I joined. There's a reason why people are coming back. Give it a shot. 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Right now, next time members that join, 50% discount. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Happy listening trading. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.